today I'm Sariswiti Mutiji Alayo and this is my partner.
Jan Paul Marangeles from BSNM 6B.
And today we are going to do bed making with an occupied patient, meaning the patient must be paralyzed or immobilized.
So, i-assume lang po namin na pagpasok po namin dito sa room ay nakapag-hand washing and nakapag-gloves na din po kami. So, greetings and identify. So, sir, good day. I'm Jan Paul Marangeles, your student nurse. So, i-check ko po yung devices, sir. Okay. Okay, to make sure that you are my client today, sir.
Okay, next we're gonna provide privacy by shutting the door and closing the window.
All materials are gathered.
Okay.
So, sir, lilit po namin kayo sa same position kung okay lang po sa
Is
inyo.
that okay with you, sir? Okay, lift the side rails.
Side rails up.
Can you do this, sir?
So, 1, 2, 3.
So we're gonna remove the bed sheet and the pillowcase halfway. Okay, next.
Maglangan mo din naman yung rest.
Well, I'm gonna remove my gloves, assuming that I remove my gloves and did hand washing. Okay. What's the other way around?
One, two, three.
Yes, sir. Hold on. Sir, are you comfortable?
Then we will dust feeder sheet.
Right, sir. Hold on a little while.
Then I put this bed sheet into the linen bag. Then I'm gonna remove my gloves and then I will do unwashing.
Right, sir. Sir, hold on.
And I'm gonna put this lift sheet. Next, the soap pad. Then the pillow. Okay. Back into comfortable position.
Okay. The other way. Okay. Pillowcase. Sir, just a little while. Please hold your lap.
Okay. Back on comfortable position.
how you do bed making.
Okay na.
My name is John Paul Arandes from BSN M6B. So, ngayon po, mag-aaral po tayo ng bed making, unoccupied. First, ready na po yung mga gamit natin na gagamitin. Ito yung malinis. So, i-assume na lang na naka-gloves ako. Alisin natin yung arming heated sheet. Move ko yung pilo natin. Ito pa rin. Please. And then, dispose natin ito sa linen bags. Ayos nyo na lang na may linen bags na ito. And then, first, sasanitize muna natin yung area. Yung bed. Then, i-remove ko na yung gloves ko kasi nasa malinis tayo na part. Then, sasanitize ko yung kamay ko. So, first, repeated sheet. Sheet. And then, kung sa file. Then, silver pad. Para po maiwasan natin yung mga excess liquid sa ating na pupunta. Yes. Para sakto lang siya sa unan. Go. Dito, gagawa tayo ng 45 degrees or triangle. Naka-point dito. Taas natin sa baba. Pillowcase. then, tataas na po natin ulit yung bed natin kasi hindi po siya pwedeng nakadikit sa floor para makaiwas tayo sa bacterial infection. So, tapos na po and I wash my hands na, sanitize and all that.